Hey, welcome back. All right, so if you didn't watch the video this morning on sharpening, watch it, because what I'm running is the band that I repaired with the chainsaw wheel to change the angle on the teeth to 7 degrees from 0. I'll show you that quick, but what I'm cutting is 2x12's. It's an order for the government for cribbing. I need 20 of them. I've got 13. I need 7 more, and I'm going to give them 1 extra, just the way I am. I should be able to get 6 out of this log. Show you the band. This is the band that I sharpened and changed the angle on to 7 degrees with the chainsaw grinder rock that I showed in the video this morning. Just to give you a real brief update on what I got down here. I got the fat end down here. What I've got is I've got it drawn out at 12 inch. It ends up being 15 this way. I'm not gonna get that much out of it. That's just giving me a guideline of where to cut to, where to take my top and bottom. What I'm looking for is a cant that is 12 5/8 by 12. That's what I need for a cant, 12 5/8 by 12. So it's really windy. I am gonna try to stuff you guys over into the corner here so that you don't blow over, and let you guys watch. And I'm gonna try to get this done as fast as I can. I've just been having log deliveries nonstop here, customers coming by. So make sure you're as stable as it can be. It's really windy out, so I'm just gonna try to mow through this thing as fast as I can. Hopefully I don't have any trouble rolling it. We'll see what happens. So we're going to take the top off it, roll it over, take the bottom off it, roll it on its side, get a 90-degree cut on it, roll it on the other side, cut it into a cant, set myself on 2-inch scale. I'll make one of the cant sides at 12 inches, make one of the cant, and then just mill it out, whatever it works out. So let's kick it in the nuts and see what happens. I should have enough of everything to do this, so get us fired up here. I've already done a bunch of milling this morning, edging off boards and stuff like that in the 2x12's. So we're going to see how this band cuts. And I'm going to push it too. So let's see where we're at. I kind of got the top of this log leveled. I don't know if I'll have to level it when I roll it on its side or not. I might. I'm just trying to get myself to that got a little room up and down, not a lot of room side to side. I'm going to take another inch out of it. We're going to roll it over. Hopefully the mill stays down there. I'm going to raise the head up just a hair in case it blows down, that it doesn't smash the band into the log. Yeah, son of a bitch, I got to hook it off. Mill, the wind's blowing it. Get this log rolled over. 180 degrees now. I'll take the other side off it. Looks like we're flat enough. Band seems to be cutting pretty good. If I had to be critical, I would say that this was a band that I did not set before I sharpened it, and it looks like it could have been set. Or it should have been set, should I say. Come on, kick off block. Good. Those are up 9, so I just can't go below 9. Make sure there's no shit on it. A little bit of dirt on this log, but it's not bad. All right, let's go ahead and take the top off this side. So at all costs, I don't want to go below 12 5/8 ever. Oh, clipped on. Yeah, let's try it right there, because that's 12 inches wide. So here, that's that's like a 14. It's always something. I'm gonna come down to, I think I'm gonna leave it right there. The big question is whether I got all my 12 on the other side. Should I come down another inch? I got pretty wavy through here. Come in and out of the cut. I am not wide enough here anyway. It looks like I'm wide enough on the bottom. I'm gonna come down to 13, or I'll just come to 12 5/8. Let's just do that. I'm just gonna go to 12 5/8, take it right off. And that looks like we're pretty close to our 12s. get it rolled on its side, then we're going to take some measurements to the pith and see if that end's going to have to be raised. It probably is. I'll get it squared up. Hopefully we get our width set now, or our depth set now. Hopefully this is going to be our depth dimension. To mill. Oh, Jesus. Make sure this thing doesn't back over on me. Check our square. You go just a teeny bit more. It's pretty damn square right there. Pretty perfect right there. See if I can get a dog in it right now. And let's do some measurements. It might need to be raised up, so it's going to be tough, but we really can't go off the pith because the pith is off center on this log. Nope, that's not going to work. Nope, yeah, well, the pith is off center, so I'm going to take a measurement to the top. And the top is off center. It's not really going to matter. It'd be better if this log was all the way over one more way. So this is 20 and a half to the top. What's the pith? The pith is at 12-ish. 20 and a half to the top. Let's just see. There's a little drop off right here. So the pith on this side is at 11, it looks like. So the pith is pretty centered in this dimension. I need to go up an inch. So we'll try to take it up an inch. Find an inch board here in the middle somewhere. That'll get us pretty close. It'll get us in the ballpark anyway. Is that even on the... Yeah, it's on the thing. Hopefully I made this light enough to be able to do this no problem. Okay. That's going to get us in the ballpark. I got to recheck my square real quick. We want a square cant, so this is the cut that matters. Get the bottom dog in over here. It's just a shade out of square. It's like this needs to kick in just a hair. Let's see how I'm doing here. One trick that you can do, if you have little wedge pieces of wood, is you can slip one in here, like that. That's perfect. Okay, dog it down. That's perfect right there. So what my goal is on this pass is to try to leave myself enough room with what I take off to be able to get 12 inches. And judging by my marks here, I got plenty. I don't even have to take that much off, I don't think. Oh, it's close. It's close. Might take it off right there. Let's just go ahead and see where that is. It just so happens like I'm right up bungee corded. So that's at like 14 and a half. I'm going to try it right there. Let's see what happens. Cut off my shim. I think we're gold, guys. I think we're gold. There's a lot of wood left in this. This is a heavy friggin' slab cut here. I think we're gold. I think that just worked out perfect. I get this off the mill. All right. Flip it over and hopefully take it to 12. And we're gold. A teeny little bit of weight on it, but nothing that's going to hurt anything. Sorry, gotta put the stupid bungee cord on this thing every time, but the wind will blow that sawmill right down here if I don't. That's what happens when you level. I think you should set your mill end to end a little bit up like this. I think would be better. Go around the other side. Easy to pull it over. Get 9,000 pieces of slab wood over here to deal with later. Right now. Oh, while I'm over here, I can drop my. Oh no, I don't want to kick it over. I don't want to kick it off the mill. I'll do it after. Hey, that one dropped on its own. Good. What I'm going to do is just throw it on the 2-inch scale, go right down from the top on 2-inch scale, make sure that the dogs are lower than 2 inches. So I should be, let's raise it up, just make sure bring it down, make sure I'm on 2-inch scale. Should be, I said it the other day, 6 and, let's see, 4 1/8, 6 1/4 should be top of scale. Yep, it is. So I am on 2-inch scale on my scale. So I should be able to come up to somewhere above 12 here on the top of the log. So I ain't going to be there. I'm going to drop to 2-inch scale. Looks about right. Yeah, take it off just like this. Oh. Bungee cord. Just wondering what the hell is going on. So that kind of just ground cribbing, so I think it'll be okay. That. Damn it. Alright, I gotta make an adjustment. Damn it. I made a mistake. I didn't take my dimension of 12. I was a roll away. Oh, so let me measure this cant. I want to stay on scale this way, but I got to roll it on its side, which means I can dump these off and clamp them to it, and I got to take it down to 12 inches. Damn it. And I should have been at 12 and 5/8, right. So it's 12 and 5/8 high, which is right. So I have to dump these off the side, roll the cant on its side, cut to 12. Now this one sucks. I'm going to have to do this one after because I can take a little bit off each side maybe. This one's going to suck, period. So I'll take this off and deal with it later. Stupid. That was dumb. I never got myself to 12 inches on the other dimension. have the room to do this. Which side is, all right, so this side's pretty straight. This side's a little bit wavy, so I'll take it off this side. Get this out of the way. Hopefully I can roll this log without, roll this camp without dropping it off the mill. Oh, God, what a pain in the ass. Rather than edging them all at one time, I might as well fix it right now. Okay, and pick the, either side of this is wavy. All right, straight side's down. It's pretty straight up. Let's see if we can just put this one up next to it. Tog it off, mill this off at 12, take this off the mill. Mill this top at 12 inches. That was dumb. That stuff only happens when you're videoing. If I'm not videoing, it doesn't happen. Strapping, 5/8. Okay, I'll get this 2x12 off the mill. Flop that one on its side and continue cutting down. Which side's, so this side's pretty straight, this side's pretty straight actually. It doesn't really matter which way I drop it. Get it up there. So it all depends on which side I want the bottom to be. Oh, it doesn't really matter. I'm on scale, so it's not going to matter. Oh, this log stop is, the bracket's bent, so it barely holds down there. Inch up. I can go right over the top of it sometimes. Okay, down low. Look at that. The pin came out. Alright. Should just be able to mill it the rest of the way out on scale. This log's cut at 12'6" right now. So I'm down here should be where I was. Yep. That's 2" right there. Bungee cord. Again, it's the first time I've ever had to do this. Scale is 6 1/4. Six and a quarter. 28. One, two, three, four. Take the sawdust off the rail and mill it at 2. Six, 7. That concludes this log. So when I look at the timer on the video here, see where I am. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a junk one really. How long is this taking? 35 minutes. Wood talk in the beginning. All right, so that's pretty much it. Looks like I'm going to have to mill one more log, I believe, because that's going to be 1, 2, 3. I need really 2 more pieces because I can't count that piece of junk. I do have a couple of 2" slabs over here that I can mill out, but they're kind of buried, so I think it'd just be simpler just to mill another log. I'll have to find one and go from there. I don't have anything lying around right now. Everything I cut was outside of dimension, inside of dimension, so there's nothing here that can make up those 2 pieces. And I don't need 2 more. I really want 3 more. Actually, I probably just give them that one right there as the extra one with all the weight on it, since they're just ground bunks. We'll see. I'm going to mill one more log. It's got to be 18-inch diameter, so in theory I'm going to get 6 more out of it. So I can always use 2x12's for stock. So that's it. That band cut fine. I wish I had set it, but it cut fine, cut flat, cut smooth. I was able to push it pretty hard. I would say that I probably was pushing it a little bit fast for how well it's set, but it gave me a pretty good product. It cut pretty good. So as far as sharp goes, it's plenty sharp enough. It's more the set on the band that probably could have been tweaked. That's it. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm glad you got to see that band cut. And I will check in again probably, well, not tomorrow. We're going to do a job tomorrow. So later in the week, probably Wednesday. It's Pirate Solutions out.